Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the website from which or through which you can get the cheapest products. So this video is being recorded without editing. I'm not going to edit this video because I messed up the editing software on the laptop and don't want to ruin the whole laptop. So I just deleted the entire software and tried to switch to fully to mobile editing. So I'll try to change the background, but that I think it's not possible, but I'll just give it a try. But then this video will surely be uploaded, and other things like the editing is fully done on mobile from now onwards on the channel, so the quality might be affected a little bit, but then I'll try to export them in 1080p. And coming to the video topic, I can't show you the entire video on the screen, so I'll just attach the screen recording at the end of this video. So make sure to watch the entire video so that you don't miss out on anything, and I'll also give you a few promo codes and stuff like that so that you get additional discounts and free deliveries throughout to your location. So continue the video, watch it, and let's move on to the mobile phone. So guys, I am back onto the mobile screen here. Make sure to subscribe and like the video before proceeding. So I am not able to edit the videos the way I did, but now we'll have to continue with this, and we can't stop in between. So I decided to switch to mobile editing completely, and I'll try to edit this, but I can't place this video on the screen. If you have some nice video editing software ideas for mobile phone, you can just post them in the comments. And here, talking about the actual topic, make sure to subscribe before getting further. And now let's go back to the website. So all the links mentioned in the video are available in the description, so you make sure you check them out as well. So let's move on to the website. Let's go ahead on to Google and type in the website, that is AliExpress. I'll also give you a few promo codes to use. You can just search in AliExpress and open up the first link so that it takes you to the actual website. And here is the website, guys. I can guarantee you get a lot of products cheaper than the other famous online websites. I can't mention them, but you know what are the famous ones in India as well as abroad. So these are the things. So now let's just compare one of them with Amazon. Okay, so let's go back to Amazon before going there, and let's check for Mi Band 3 straps. So let's check out that Mi Band 3 straps. Mi Band 3 straps. Anything, any color, it doesn't matter. Straps, let's just search that, and you can see 229 is the starting rate, 199, yeah, it's like 150. Okay, the cheapest one was 150 till now, and there you go, that's the price there. So you head on, let's go back to the site which I was talking about, and here let's search for Mi Band 3 strap, and you'll actually be shocked, there is no doubt in that. And here is the thing, it's 74 rupees, it's 42 rupees, and what else do you guys need cheaper than that? Actually there are available, yeah, it's for 28 rupees. So let's check out that one, and how much does it cost to deliver it to your country. Mi Band 3 or 4 strap, yeah, actually the 3 and 4, that's the Mi Band 3 and 4 have the similar sizes, and I actually switched the bands and tried as well. Shipping charges is 2 rupees, so you can actually give it, because instead of giving 199 plus delivery charges on Amazon, you can actually spend 2 rupees to get your product delivered. So when I click buy now, it is just asking me to select the band which you want, the color, the customizations if you have any, and for Mi Band 3, and here let me just select something. This is looking cool, let's select that, and quantity, it's that much. So the only thing here is it takes a lot of time to get delivered. It takes 30 to 50 days. It's easy, guys. You don't have any risk also with the products. I had ordered a few other things as well. I got it delivered within some 28 days. So you can just wait for a few time is money, guys. You can just wait for few days to get the product delivered, and then you can just enjoy it for rupees 28. There is nothing cheaper than that instead of buying it from here. So that was this, and you can find many other products that you want. You also had that Xiaomi AirDots. Yeah, it's around some 200 or more than 1500 on other sites. Let's check how much is it here. Oh shit, it's 916. I when I checked last week, it was some 1500 on this site as well. You can see the first one, original Xiaomi Redmi AirDots 5.0 TWS Bluetooth earphone DSP noise cancellation. So that's their 916. Let's check out how much it is on Amazon now. Xiaomi AirDots, I don't think it's available yet here. If it is okay, some spelling error. Xiaomi AirDots, okay, not available on Amazon. Let's copy this and paste it in Flipkart. Let's go to Flipkart and just paste it and check it. Make sure you like the video, guys, and share it with your friends. Okay, Xiaomi Meitu wireless earphones, earbuds, actually it's 2499. You can see the difference, guys. 2499 and 999. It's totally like 1500 rupees discount, and not even complete 999. It's 916, approximately 920. So it will just take you some how much does it take to deliver it to your country? Shipping charges is 329. Okay, even if you give off 330 rupees for this, you actually pay 1300 on the whole if you get it approximated and increase a little bit as well. So this is how you get the cheapest products, and make sure you use this website. This is not a paid video. Make sure you like it, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.